All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Okay, so it looks like the equity markets are selling off today. I'm looking at the indices. So it actually looks like the NASDAQ ended up green today. The New York Stock Exchange down, Dow Jones down. So overall, the market is down. And then the crypto market actually bounced back. So just to give a recap of what happened over the weekend, we had the we had Israel, and then with the help of U.S., they struck Iran. They took out the leader there, the president there. I'm not even sure if they call him the president, just say the leader. And yeah, and then also another like a few of his colleagues as well, or other leaders like people below the top leader there also got wiped out because I think they were all in the same space when the bomb hit. And also people like his grandson, daughter, things like that. So there's this whole group of people that got taken out, and that basically triggered the market. So Bitcoin actually shot up Saturday because I believe the market believed that, okay, we took out the leader. Now there's going to be a regime change in Iran, and things are going to go get good. But then Sunday it was like, okay, well, Iran was like, we're going to retaliate, and even today they're saying that. So it's really not over. I guess the market thought it would just be a weekend thing, but this thing looks like it's going to last a little bit longer. Okay, so Sunday we took a slight dip after I believe when futures started to come out, and I guess the market was pricing in this volatility, this uncertainty, and Bitcoin and crypto also took a dip too. And today it looks like it rebounded slightly. It looks like the crypto market rebounded. So, in my opinion, I think the crypto market took it really well. I think that for Bitcoin to be still sitting at 64, 66, I mean, that's what it was sitting at the beginning of this. And the fact that it has not crashed lower just suggests that it's holding up pretty well to this news. And we did have some real positive do have some positive catalysts coming along the way. We have the Clarity Act that on Poly Market, remember it went all the way down from like 80% to like 45%. Then now it's shot back up to 65%, and I think it's in the 70s right now. So there's a good chance that we get this Clarity bill pushed here pretty soon. I think the deadline was March 1st, so they're past that. But I believe they need to get together and discuss some things that probably some things they still need to work out. But it's looking really good for the Clarity Act. And most likely they're going to come to some type of deal, and hopefully we get that passed in April. Now, the ISM data. So the ISM data came out today, but it also came out last month, and it broke above 52, I believe it was. And so for those of you who don't know, ISM stands for Institute for Supply Management Purchasing Managers Index, so ISM PMI. It's a monthly leading economic indicator based on surveys of 400 plus supply chain executives measuring the economic health of the U.S. And basically, when this is going up, when it passes 50 and it holds above that level, it just suggests that the manufacturing businesses are expanding. So that's really good that we're getting this for a second month in a row. And usually for altcoins, that just suggests that they will be moving along with the ISM index up, right? And we're seeing it in the price. Now, so so let me check the exact amount that it went to today. I think it was like 52.6 or something like that. Reading today. The February 2026 U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI showed continued growth for a second consecutive month, coming in at 52.4%, while slightly lower than January's 52.6%. This reading exceeded expectations. So they thought that it would go to like 51.8 or something like that, and it came in a lot higher. Slightly a little bit lower, but it's still that 52. It's still, above 52. So I think if we can get a few more months of this ISM data surging up, it's going to be good for the crypto market. And then if we could get the Clarity Act, I think that's going to be really good as well. So yeah, that is the update for today. I'm not sure if any other data came out. That was like the main data that came out today, that ISM data, PMI, and it's really good for the market. Now, obviously, this stuff in Iran, we're going to have to watch it and see how it transpires or what it leads to. But so far, crypto market's holding up. Equities is a little volatile, but we're just going to have to wait and see. All right. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. That is the highlight. Markets don't look that bad. I would have thought a bigger crash or a crash. I don't even think we got a crash today. So yeah, very interesting. We just got to see how stuff plays out. I am close to 1400. I'm at 1382. So my goal this live stream is to get above 1400, and then I'll be done. So I'm going to try 3 games. If I don't get it, then I'll stop because I don't want to go lower. But yeah, that's the goal of this live stream. Get over 1400, and we'll see if we could do that. All right, so let's start here. But yeah, I think the crypto market took the news pretty well. Again, and that's what I've always thought about the crypto market. I'm like, okay, well, the whole point of the crypto or BTC when it first came out was to, handle these volatile times where we don't know what's going to happen. You would think BTC will hold up, which it did hold up pretty nicely. Let's do this. Yeah, so I think the crypto market did pretty good, being that we got that news. I think we held up pretty nicely. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Just bring this over. Let's see. That's what he wanted to do. I didn't see that. I did not see that. Darn it. Okay, let's see. Darn it. I did not see that either. All right. That's it. I'm going to resign this one. See who wants to run that rematch back. All right. Just see this. Got to pay more attention here. That. Oof, got both of those. Oh, this is freezing. Come on, don't freeze. Okay, I think we're good now. It's freezing like crazy. So I'm gonna do that. Oof, that was cool. Yeah, that's a checkmate right there. Darn it. I didn't think he would see that. Let's see what he's trying to do. Um, mm-hmm. Darn it. That was my fault right there. That was totally my fault. Um, Wait, no, it should be fine. Should be fine. Oh no, I won't be fine. I gotta darn it. Man, I can't believe I lost this game. That's crazy. Darn it, I can't believe I lost that. That's crazy. I should have won that game. All right, I think this is gonna be my last one. Too many zeros. He's trying to go for those checkmates. Perfect. Perfect. Get my W back, which is always good. I don't see any threat there. What is that? I don't even know what that was. Perfect. All right. That's it. I beat him that last one. I'm not gonna play again. That was I won 1 out of 3. I should have won that last one, to be honest. That was crazy that I lost it like that. But yeah, so again, volatility because of the Iran and Israel and the US stuff. That probably is gonna go on for the next couple months, unless they just come to some type of agreement, which I don't think is going to be right away. That probably is probably going to take some time for that to play out. And we did get that ISM data. 52.4 came in lower than last month, which was 52.6, but it was higher than expectations. So hopefully every month that continues to go up higher, and we just get that business expansion. And yeah, that'll be good for the markets. And then also, if we could get that Clarity Act passed, potentially some interest rate cuts, I think it'd be really good for the market. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.